Have you ever searched how to make money online and ended up watching one of those videos that's like, here are 5 ways to make money online, but stay until the very end because number 5 is going to blow your mind. Okay. Listen, I can't stand those videos. Just tell me what works. Okay. I don't got all day. So I'm not going to give you 5 different business models. I'm going to go show you the one I personally use, the one that allowed me to build an online business from home after I lost my truck and my job door dashing. So I called this a business in a box, the simple online business I use after 50. Then you could decide for yourself if this is something that you'd want to do. Okay. So here's what I think happens to most people. They decide they want to make money online. So they start Googling. They watch YouTube, they watch TikTok. Everybody tells them something different. One person says, sell on this platform, sell on that platform. Somebody else says, affiliate marketing, do that. Another says, what about drop shipping? Another says, oh, no, 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 don't do that. Do this. Start a course. Someone else says, start a membership. And before long, they're overwhelmed. Maybe I'm speaking to you. Overwhelmed, not because they're not willing to work, but because nobody ever explains all the pieces that make an online business work together. That's why so many people quit, not because they failed, because they're confused. So imagine somebody told you to go build this, go build a house. All right. But they never gave you a blueprint. No foundation, no walls, no roof, no plumbing, no wiring. You would probably stand there wondering, hold on, where am I gone? Where do I even start? That's exactly how I think most people think about building an online business. They've got random pieces, but no blueprint. That's why I called this a business in a box. Instead of trying to figure out every single piece on your own, the pieces are already there. And my job today is to simply show you how they fit together. So let's open the box together. I'm going to walk you through this, okay? Each piece one at a time. And by the end of this video, you'll understand how they all work together and why having all the pieces already in place can make getting started much simpler than trying to build everything from scratch. So let's jump in. I can't wait to get started. I absolutely love what I do. So let's go. And we are in the digital space. I promote digital marketing programs. Well, they're a business in a box. You get to learn digital marketing skills. That's what you get to learn. You get to learn high income earning skills. That's just one of the many things that you get to learn inside. This was my month last month. I made 8,491 as I'm a homeschooling mom. Okay. So I'm not going to go into my story right now because I want you guys to understand what this is. I just celebrated 2 years though of doing this business. Um, so let me quickly show you that little picture of me and my kiddo, one of my youngest. Anyways, let's get into this. So what do? 2 hours. We create content. Yes, you just have to be willing to learn. This is a simple online business. Okay. It is a simple online business that you can start. Do it from your home, do it from your phone. Okay. So what are we doing? We are creating content, 3 pieces of content. Now I'm going to get this right here and I'm going to actually show you. We make, and I don't have it here, but 7 seconds, 30 seconds, and 1 minute videos. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to grab my phone, pretend to hit record. Okay. And I'm going to bring a little bit of movement and then who knows, bring it up or whatever. Just movement. As soon as it hits 7 seconds, I'm going to stop recording. I'm going to add some text on the screen, pick a popular song and hit post. That is a 7-second video. 7-second videos, they're everywhere on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok. They're everywhere. Now you can choose to do this on any social media platform, by the way. Now, here's a 1 minute video that I would do. No degree, no experience, no problem. Listen, when I started this back in 2024, I had no idea what this was or if I could do it. But here I am 2 years later to tell you, man, it works. It's the best thing I've ever done. I make 100% profit on products that I didn't create. Numbers like this, 900 and 1400. I love that I can do this around my children in the pockets of my day. It's not a 9 to 5 or a 5 to 9. Not bugging family, not bugging friends. No, it's not an MLM. And I love that I am not chasing people. I wouldn't want to do this if it was like that. So I have an automated system. Anyway, I don't want to take too much time. So grab the blueprint. You can drop me a yeehaw in the comments if you want the blueprint that I have. And that blueprint's going to give you the details on this business. And that was probably too long. But when I say I just winged it, winged it. That's what I just did. Okay. So you get the gist of it. We make short pieces of content. You could do this on any social media platform, any of them. It works on all of them. So that's the first part. Now, the second part is actually posting free ads. I didn't even think about this. So posting free ads is old school classified newspaper, the newspaper classified section. Same thing, except for taking it online. No, you don't have to know how to do any of this. This is all in the program, all in the business in a box. The next part, half hour, respond to comments and respond to emails. Pretty straightforward, right? So now, while I'm thinking about the blueprint, you can actually grab that blueprint down below. It says, you see that says grab the free blueprint. You can grab the blueprint. Make sure that you do that. That is your very first step. So that is what we do. Now let's get into how this works. One of my other favorite parts of this. So we have, hold on. Let me hide one thing so I can bring up the next. Okay. So we have what is called an automated system. And maybe I should make this a little bit bigger. Let's see. Let's do it like this so you can see it better. Okay, this is an automated system. So what are we doing? We're creating shorts. Helpful content attracts attention. Then the next part of this is as soon as we call it a capture page or a landing page, they have to actually put their email in, right? And then what that does is it starts this 24-hour automated system. So let's just say somebody from, I don't know, Sweden is on YouTube in the middle of the night. I don't know what time it is in Sweden. Let's use UK. I know they're 6 hours ahead of us. So in the States, I'm in Texas. So let's just say they see a video of mine and they're like, I want to know what this is. They put their email in to my site and then they get the details on this, then they can make a decision. So it's an automated follow-up. Like it's immediate. They immediately get information that they want. Daytime, nighttime, anytime. So then what happens next? Well, they get all the details and they can actually make a decision. So if they have questions, that's where you would respond to comments, respond to emails. That's the whole automated system. So we create the content once and let your system do the heavy lifting. Your videos attract attention, your automation nurtures the leads, and customers can buy. This is amazing to me. Absolutely amazing. So that is the automated system. Okay. So let's get into, I got to show you this because this is the results of having an automated system. She is a mama, who retired. Let me see if I can put myself beside this. No, I can't. Can I do it like this? No, I can't. Okay, so I'll quickly read this to you. So she retired because of this business. She was doing this, and she lives in Canada. She went on a trip while she was on vacation, wrapping up our week here in New York City. And oh my goodness, what an adventure it has already been. So you see, 12K that week. She was on vacation. Now, I didn't want this video to be too long, so I'll quickly show you a dad so you can actually see. I was helping a neighbor unload granite countertop at his house, and when I got back, I had a notification on my phone that a customer had purchased the $600 program to start their own online business. the power of inviting people to the webinars and promoting the giveaways. Well, this is only the giveaway is only till tomorrow, so that probably won't apply when you see this, unless you see this tomorrow. Okay, so my full-time job doesn't even pay me that. Look at what he brought in. That is incredible. Okay, because I'm losing track of my time here, I want to speed this up a little bit. So we have 5 different choices, 5 different programs. Now, let me tell you what happened to me first. So now you guys know I was door dashing. The worst thing that could happen to a dasher happened to me. Lost my truck, lost my job in the same day. My transmission went on my beloved black Suburban, as you can see. Now that's not my actual car. But that is exactly what happened. So I had been praying to God, asking God for a way. Please, please do something. And he did. He brought me this and I started this. I saw a girl on TikTok. Long story short, I was a skeptic. I scrolled past her the first time. Second time I seen her was 2 days later and I had lost the truck and the job. This time I stopped. This time I was like, what is this? Can I do this from home? She said, yeah. I said, do I need a degree? She was like, no. And I said, okay. Third question, do I have to get on a phone? Because I don't want to get on a phone and like be on a phone all day. She was like, no. And I said, okay, what is this? How do I get started? So there are 5 different choices, and I'm going to put them right here. As you can see, there's a legacy bundle pack, legacy, 5 different ones. Okay. Now let me break this down. We are learning marketing skills, learning high income earning skills called digital marketing skills. We're going to take those skills, create our content, okay? Create these 3 pieces of content, post our free ads, and respond. Now, let's get back into this. So there is a Legacy Builders Pack, bundle pack, which is Spanish and English. There's a Legacy Builders program. And then there's 3, hold on, these 3. There's a 6, there's a 3, and there's a 1. So there is all 5 of those, all right, to choose from. And now how this works is inside the 6, the 9, and you could choose any 5, any of them, okay? Now, I'm not a big fan of the 1 because when she told me if I purchased that one, that's all I could promote. I was like, no, thank you. So I purchased the 9. I got all 4 in my business in a box, the website made for me, and that automated system made for me. So the website fee is a one-time $39. And if you choose the bundle pack, it's a one-time $69. The bundle pack is the Spanish and the English. No, you don't have to speak Spanish. I have the bundle pack. That's why I'm able to promote it. And I love having $1,400 days. I mean, you can have 100% of any of these. We make 100%, by the way, in case I didn't say that already. We make 100%. How does the founder and the community make anything? Because of the website fee. Okay. So, this is already longer than it's supposed to be because I'm supposed to keep it short. Okay. So those are the programs. You just need to choose what fits you, your budget, and your goals. Now, can you imagine waking up to that? Because I love this. I love what I get to do. And I am going to just quickly show you, because I am running out of time. I wanted to quickly show you, we actually have where is it? Quickly show you my screen so you can see we have a community. Okay. So this is what it looks like right here. I'll make it bigger for a second. There are 61,000 of us in here. I'm actually on the group right now. This is the founder right here, Michelle. And you also get to be in my community. So you're not by yourself. Okay. This is my community, as you can see. And you do not have to go live. No, I want to say that first and foremost. No, you don't have to go live. No, you don't have to go face forward. You could choose to do this faceless. You could choose to do this without going live. Now, if you want to go live, you're in the best hands because I'm the one who teaches people how to go live. Now, Also, you'll have direct messaging to me up here, and you can drop in questions here. Plus, you have VIP access. Let's do this a little bit different here. Plus, you'll have VIP access. It might be hard to see. I don't know. And now let's get back over here. You will, if you choose the 900 or the 1400, you get to be in these live interactive Zoom calls with the founder every single Monday. If you can't make it, there are replays. Everybody has access to all the ones on Thursday. But just that exclusive legacy call is for the ones that purchase the 900 and the 1400. They get to be in that call with the founder. So it really, yes, you can upgrade. In case you were thinking, you can upgrade. You can start at the 6, you can move to the 9 or the 14. You would pay the difference and then pay the one-time website fee again. Okay. Now we're doing an 11K and 30-day run, and that is daily, like daily instruction, daily. She will post, and this is it right here. She will post a video, and you can watch that video, and that's going to give you instruction on your business. Okay. So I just wanted you guys to see this. We can come into the wins, and I shared some of those wins with you guys. Look, Dan had a $1,400 day. Luma had a 6. Lula, I can't say her name. I know I can call her Lulu for short. So we can come in here and do this. We can share these. I like this 300 sale while out swimming with my grandchildren. Guys, if this is what you want in your life, if this is the kind of freedom that you're searching for, you're looking for, how do I make money online? How can I do this? Let me tell you something. These are the 3 things that I've learned in the past 2 years. You want something digital, you want something that's in demand, and you want something that's at the right price point. And let me show you something quickly why. Because look at this. 8 customers times 14 is 11,200. Let's just say that would you. Would that help you this month? Like, would that help you? Just think about that. How many customers do you need to actually pay your biggest expense, your rent or your mortgage? Think of that, because one of my favorite things, and I realized how blessed I am, because I have mornings like this. I wake up and I have mornings where I could be sitting there enjoying my coffee. Instead of doing the dash, I could boom, just like that, have somebody get started and have a sale. That's one customer, you guys. Imagine that. How would that help you? Would that help you? Because I know it literally changed how I live. So I invite you to grab the blueprint. I will share this little thing that you can see up in the corner here, up in the corner this way. And you can take a picture of that or whatever, however it works. Take a picture of it, grab the blueprint. I thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you have questions, just email me.